Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your October love and work forecast for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you, friends. And make sure to subscribe Magic Winds Tarot and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. If you have already done so, many angel blessings. God bless. Friends, today this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. The link is on the showing on the video itself, so you can check there. So you can also cross watch it if you know a Libra. So yes, and I have already done the Hindi Urdu versions. You can check them out. Let's see what's the theme for Libras for the October month. Let's see that Libras theme for the month of, wow, the High Priest and the Page of Cups. Wow, Libras, this is an emotional month for you. Absolutely. Theme of the month. Wow, your cards are flying. Are you feeling restless? I think so. Through all. That is why it was. Look at that. Oh my God. The Four of Pentacles. Oh my God, Libras. I think you are coming out of a heartache in the month of October. Yes, there is some energy. That's why the cards just went all over the place, you know. I do see there is some heartache, some trust issues. Someone has hurted you, someone has caused you pain. You haven't recovered from that heartache and something is still hurting you. That's why that thing happened, you know. The cards just went out. And Four of Pentacles, I see. You are taking you are very cautious in the month of October in your relationships, Libras, because you don't want to get hurt again. Nobody likes that. And definitely you'll be keeping your cards close to yourself, your emotions also. I also feel, you know, this is the month when you will be focused more on achieving your goals, on your work, on your finances, on your career, or achievements. Your focus is on achievements rather than on love and relationships. Also, I see some of you are graduating this month, or you will be going back to college or schools or learning something new. I also feel if you are in legal issues, you will find a victory because I do see there is some tension, some whew, crazy energy, Libra. But it's a good month for you, friends. Justice. High Priest is about, you know, justice. It is about you finding fairness, you finding the healing, you finding these keys to open your life, success. And also, yes, I do see someone else will be proposing you a new love offer from a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I don't know if you will accept it or not because there is, you know, Libra, you had been through this, ooh la la. Oh my God, this messy breakup or something which still hurts you, it still aches you. But friends, there will be new proposals coming your way, so get ready. Whether you want them or not, Libras, they are coming. Let's see your love life. Because I want to see who hurted you and all that thing. October, what will happen for Libras in the month of October? Their love life. Okay, the Knight of Wands, yes, someone is coming very quickly towards you. The Judgment, the Karma, love life for Libras. Okay, the Sun, the Chariot, the Four of Wands. The High Priestess and the High Priest. Oh my God, friends, you have a couple here, right here. I told you, whether you like it or not, people love you, Libras. The Five of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Strength. Yes, friends, yes. This is a powerful month for you, Libras. Get ready get ready. I know your focus is not on love. Your focus is not even you want to be in a relationship. But friends, it is going to happen. A big relationship is coming your way. This Aries, Leo, Sag person is coming your way, marching your way. This prince or the princess charming is going to come into your life, and they are going to sweep you off your feet, Libras. Yes, I feel. This person is from your past. They will be returning back. They will be making some sorries to you. They will be making some correction in their behavior, Libras, in the month of October. But you may not accept them back. I see 50-50 energy. Like you may be friends with them, but you may not accept them for a relationship. I do see, because your focus is on work, friends. Your focus is on work, on self love, on happiness, on building strong friendships, not on so much on love and relationships. You want to heal. I feel this person is your twin flame, or you could be dealing with a twin flame in the month of October. I feel relationships will progress very quickly. Things will develop very quickly. Even friendships will go very quickly, into love, and love will change into very quickly into, committed relationships. I also feel, commitment is a big deal for you. You want someone who stays there with you, Libras. And I do see someone is coming for you who wants commitment, who wants this ultimate home with you, or this marriage with you. So, yes, commitment is coming. I also feel if you are already in a relationship, things will get better for you. Things will clear up. If there is heartache, if there is third party, it will clear up, friends. It will heal, and you will find the sunshine, the love back, and the marriage will become more better and more stable in mid of this month of October. I see someone very spiritual, especially if you are single. I do see two, three people coming towards you. Someone very spiritual or someone who is very gifted is coming towards you. They may be a musician, an artist, or a spiritual person, or a teacher. Someone is coming. I do feel maybe this person will help you out in healing. Maybe you'll seek someone to heal your relationships or understand why certain things are happening. I do see, Libras, you coming for a reading to me. I know I had done a lot of Libra readings in the past few years. Trust me, and I do see you are going to ask a tarot reader or a spiritual person for help. I do see someone very spiritual coming towards you, and end of this month might not be so good for you. I see differences happening between partners, difference of opinions. Your long term plans are different. Someone's else's long term plans are different. I also feel that your focus will be on work, but someone may ask you or beg you, like, give us time, give us time. So you won't like that. Someone is trying to behave, what's the word for it, someone keeps needy, someone is trying to be needy with you. You won't like that, Libras. You want your space, you want time, because you are actually busy in this month of October. I do see this will, at the end of the month, you will be like a little disappointed that things are still not perfect as you want in your love life, but there is a lot of strength in your love life, Libras. A lot of twin flame action, a lot of connections, and strong friendships. Yes, your friendships, in all your relationship, your friendships will deepen, and some of the fears will resolve, some past issues will resolve this month. So the main thing I feel is for you, Libra, is forgiving people and accepting them. And someone wants to propose you also, for commit you for marriage or something. So marriage is also an issue. Let's see the advice for you, Libras. Let's see the advice for your love life. Advice for Libras for their love life. Fulfillment. Yeah, see, your focus, oh my god, this also wants to come success. I told you, your focus is mostly on yourself, your career, your achievements. Your focus is on success. Your focus is on achieving financial or career success, even success in relationships, at least in healing your heart. You want success there. You want fulfillment. You just don't want a casual date. No, You want the full deal, you want a full relationship, and I do see someone is coming back, or someone will share their heart and forgiveness. They will ask for your forgiveness. Protection, you are very protected, Libras. Don't worry. I told you in the beginning, you're worried. You're worried, will this happen again? Will they hurt me? You're safe, you're protected. Look at this. This tree is attacked by lightning, but nothing is happening because you see there is this aura behind the tree protecting it. So you're protected, you're safe, Libras. Don't worry. Potential, yes, potential people, partners are coming your way, friends. Try them out. Don't be so quick to say no. Let's see your work and career now. I know you want work and career, Libras. That's your focus. Libras, their work and career. In the month of October, Knight of Cups, the Hanged Man, the Lovers, the Moon. Oh my God, that's a lot of three major arcanas for you. I see that, you will be offering people, you will be making offers. I see you applying to jobs. I see you applying or trying out new, you are applying to new people, new places. I see you applying, going for interviews, going for jobs. I also see that someone is also coming towards you for a job offer or something, or a collaboration. I do see someone is trying to collaborate with you. Maybe this is a spiritual person. They want to collaborate with you, or they will help you out in your career. I do see someone very spiritual, someone like a spiritual guru, because you have the high priest there, a spiritual mentor coming in towards you, helping you out, Libras, in your work, in your love life, in your life in general. Wow, I see, Libra. This is your card. Look at this. Knight of Swords. You are very quick this month in your work and career. You are like quick, quick, quick. You don't want slow pace. You don't want any, slow is boring to you, Libras. This month you'll be very quick. You'll be doing a lot of work. You'll be mentally very active, thinking, making a lot of plans. But I see there will be choices, decisions in this month for you. You will have to decide between two jobs, or choosing or leaving a job or something. Decisions are there, whether you like it or not. In your work there will be decisions. I do see that some job opportunity or some offer will come towards you, but you will decide, you will be unsure whether to accept it or not, because some things are not clear about your work. Some things are hidden to you. I see you also, yeah, see anxiety, worry. You fear the unknown. You fear what's not known to you. You are fearing that in your work also, in your career also. I see you should follow your intuition. You are very gifted, Libras, and your intuition is guiding you, so follow it. I would also say take some time in making any decisions, especially important decisions in the month of October, because Mercury is retrograde, the Mars is also in retrograde, so extra caution is necessary. Don't try to, if something is not happening, let it be. Things, I think letting go, you will have to remain flexible, Libras, when to work and when not to, when to work, when to push, and when not to. So that you need to keep in mind. Also, I see that you will be focusing on learning something new, discovering something new, and anything you learn this week or this month, it is going to change your life. I do see if you are a student, you will feel a bit nervous, or you will have some tension, especially because of an interview call coming or an exam date being organized too quickly. But I see you will do very well, especially if you work hard. So yeah, things will happen either very quickly this month, Libras, or they will take some time. So just stay careful. Let's see your advice for this month. For Libras, what's the advice for them? Okay, I did dropped a card. Let me just pick it up. Wow, pleasure, illumination. Yeah, something is not clear to you, friends. So Voyage, this is the card that jumped off. So Voyage, yes, you want to escape. You want to rush things. You want to make life very quickly. Some of you will be taking a trip. You also miss where you work, or you will be traveling for work, or you are just fed up of working from home. So you'll be taking a trip. I do see that positive changes are coming your way. At least this relief from hurt, this pain, all that is going to happen. Healing is going to come into your life. Illumination, yes. Things which are hidden will clear up. Confusions will heal for you. Clarity will come in this month. And pleasure, yeah, pleasure. I see that you should focus on enjoying your life. You are being a little serious, Libras, because your focus is so much on work, and also stay positive and focus on getting some fun, travel, trips maybe for Libras. Okay. Let's see, March is important for you. March may be a birth date for some of you. Lightning, control your anger or you'll regret it. Stuff, you will be taken care of in difficult times, so you're very protected. This is the second message that has come about protection. You're very protected, friends. Don't worry so much. Lion, time to act. Yeah, be fearless when it comes to your work. Be fearless. Rainbow, the most difficult part of a situation is over. Yeah, you have already done the tough things, all these things. Now is the good time. Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. See here, the heartache is still there. So this goes hand in hand. Rainbow, difficult times are over. Oops. Involvement with, oh my god. Yeah, I told you some of you could be having, like, you could be graduating, you could be you know, waiting for a farewell or a freshers party. Some of you are graduating or getting a degree or completing a degree or joining college or schools or business schools or something. So, if you have legal issues, you will be very lucky in that. I see that some of you could be starting to learn about law or human rights, all those things also, because you have the high priestess. You maybe also start learning about the law of attraction or something, ladder climbing towards success. So success is coming your way, Libras. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Don't forget to click the bell icon. And join us on Insta as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.